Hello students, in previous videos we have discussed about many topics on partnership. Today we are going to discuss about the capital. So basically many things are written on the whiteboard, but there are two types of capital. One capital which changed year to year, and second capital which never changed year to year. These two types of capitals are there in partnership. So the capital which changed year to year is called fluctuating capital. It's changing, it's fluctuating. That's why it's called fluctuating capital. And the other capital which is not changing its nature year to year is called fixed capital, because its balance are not changing. Not changing, that means fixed capital. Changing means fluctuating capital. So there are one question is asked every year, 5 marks. In 5 marks, that what are the difference between fixed capital and fluctuating capital, or write something about fixed capital, write something about fluctuating capital, or write one or two difference between both the capitals. So all the questions are discussed in this class, and all the answers will you faced from the whiteboard. So let's start. This is my 6th lecture. We are going to discuss about types of capital. So I have told you, recently I told you that there are two types of capital, fixed capital and fluctuating capital. Now we are going to discuss about the differences between both the capitals. What are the difference? So if question is asked in examination that what are the difference, then you have to draw such chart. You have to draw 3 columns, one for base, second for fixed capital, and third for fluctuating capital. You have to draw 3 columns, then you have to write step by step the theory which I am going to explain. Number 1, meaning. Meaning, just before 1 minute I told you the meaning. The capital which remain unchanged, जो capital change नहीं होती है, is called fixed capital, and the capital which remain changed every year is called fluctuating capital. This is the meaning. The capital which remains same or unchanged. Same or unchanged means same meaning. Same or unchanged year after year is called fixed capital, and the capital balance remain changed year after year. Remain same, remain changed. The capital balance remain changed every year is called fluctuating capital, and the capital which remains same every year is called fixed capital. There are two types of capital. Now the second point is account. From tomorrow we will learn about the accounts, but yet I am explaining the difference between both the capitals. So in which capital what accounts you have to prepare, I am explaining. Account. In fixed capital there are 2 accounts. There are 2 accounts are prepared, partners capital account and partners current account. But in fluctuating capital or floating capital, there is only one account is prepared, that is called partners capital. It means here we have to prepare 2 accounts, and here we have to only single account. Balances. Balance of capital account always credit. Here one mark question is asked. In case of fixed capital, capital balance will be dash. Capital balance will be credit always if there is fixed capital. If there is fluctuating capital, then balance either may be debit or may be credit. It means in fluctuating capital both balances can be there, but in fixed capital there would be only credit balance. Adjustments, like 11th, we have learned many adjustments in the 11th final accounts. There is also some adjustments will be given, outstanding, prepaid, etc., etc. So if our capital is fixed capital, then the adjustments except capital को छोड़कर, except capital, all other adjustments are recorded in current account. In previous difference I told you there are 2 accounts, capital account and current account. Right now we are talking about adjustments. So capital will be recorded in capital account, but except capital को छोड़कर all other adjustments will be recorded in current account. And here we are preparing only single account. There is only one account. So if you are maintaining only one account, then all the adjustments related to capital, related to other items will be recorded only in capital account. All adjustments are recorded in capital account, and here except capital all other adjustments are recorded in current account. The last point, item recorded in capital account, only capital balance, additional capital and capital withdrawn are recorded in capital account. If your capital is fixed, then in capital account you can write only three things. Number one, the balance of capital. Number two, if you are introducing capital during the year, it means additional capital. And if you are withdrawing capital during the year, it means capital withdrawn. Only three things are recorded in capital account if your capital is fixed. And in case of fluctuating capital, there is only one account, capital account. So all the adjustments related to capital, all the adjustment related to drawing, all the adjustment related to salary, bonus, commission, everything will be recorded in capital account. Okay, so this is the complete 5 marks theory of fixed capital and fluctuating capital. If you read it properly, if you listen the video properly, you will be able to give the answer of every question belongs to capitals.